Hello, I am Veni, Veera Veni. I think I'm 8 years old, but I might be 9 too. I live on a boat with my family. Our boat is made of wood. It is carved out from the inside. It's where we live, where we keep all of our things, where we sleep, where we cook fish, rasam and curry on a small fire. It's our home. Our boat has always floated on the sea in Andhra Pradesh. This is where I go to school, where a school boat comes to get me in the morning. In the beginning, I was not sure about going to school on the land, but I thought it must be all right when the little boat came to get me. It's a government school on a boat. I never knew how much fun it could be. No one in my family has ever been to school before. Sometimes at school we run races across the boats. The teachers try to do fun things so that you will come to school again tomorrow.